Hi, it's Hazy and welcome to my channel. Today we are folding these. So I'm showing you how to fold these, and I even tore that one and you can't even see. You know, when I was erasing the marks, you can't even tell I've done that. So it's fine, it's absolutely fine. And there is an alternative one, this one, and if you look at the end, instead of separating the petals, you can keep them together and do it like that. This is the simpler one, but I prefer the other one, which is why I do it. Anyway, please, if you'd like to join me today, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please share my video with your friends. Press the notification bell with your crafty fingers. And forgot about thumbs up, nearly forgot thumbs up. Thumbs up, thank you. And also, please join my Facebook group. I'm going to do extra videos on there and things like that. Or you can ask me to clarify things. I mean, I'm going to show at the end because it's going to be so too lengthy if I show you now. You've got a screenshot of the instructions, all except for the last bit, which is easy because you just have to put them together like this. You just squeeze these petals like that, and then put it to bed like that. Put you to bed, yeah, put you to bed, all of you to bed. Right, I've got another one somewhere, but that's not been coloured in. That's the trick we do on the video. Okay then, so please join me and see you there. Thank you. Okay, so here's a 6 by 6 inch piece of paper, compass. I'm measuring 2 inches with the compass. So there's 2 inches on the compass now. This perfectly fits into a 6 by 6 inch square. So I'm just finding the middle of the square by squeezing the middle. This won't make any difference at all to the end product. Just there. So now I know that that's the middle. So I put my point of my compass in there and draw the circle. These compasses are very, very inaccurate. They're supposed to be accurate. I did ask for some accurate ones. I've had them years. Okay, so now I'm drawing that thing where you put the point into any part of the circle and make a mark with a pencil as you go around. So it should make 6 equal marks. Mine doesn't make 6 equal marks, but as you can see at the end, it doesn't matter. So if you've got the same problem, just be as accurate as you can. Can I even see that? Right, so now I'm joining every single 6. So the 6 line, every single thing. So make a hexagon. So I'm joining those. If you can't see, I mean, I don't know if I can see because my screen is about 2 inches by, actually about 2.5 inches by about 1 1/4, I think, or 1 1/2. I did measure it actually. Yeah. Yeah, 2 and 3, yeah, 2.5 by about 1 1/2. Yeah, so it's very tiny screen. Okay. So I'm just showing you there what I've done. Joined all the 6 points. Now I'm going to miss out one and make 2 triangles that fit on top of each other. Hopefully you can hear me a bit better than normal when I record over. Anyway, I keep forgetting to speak into my thing I've made. Okay, if it works any better, I do hope so. Right, so I'm making 2 triangles now by missing out one each time of those points I just showed you. So it makes 2 triangles now. It's very, oh, excuse the traffic noises. Right, so if you can see there, I've made 2 triangles which make a 6-pointed star. Now I'm going to draw a line from where the 2 decide to join, and I'm going beyond the circle. I don't think it matters too much about that. Actually, it doesn't matter if you're doing the version I'm doing, but I will show you the 2 versions, the easier version and I'm doing the harder version. But it's so easy if you've done it. I mean, I looked at a video and I knew straight away how to do it. And if I can do that, anybody can do that. No need to put that line from the middle, so I think I will be out in the middle. In a minute, that's it. There's a nice rainbow on there, look, on the desk. There we go. I think it's, oh, it's my boxes. I know what it is. I've got some plastic boxes. Yeah, so I'm drawing from the middle of each one. There we go. I'm just rubbing them out in the middle. Okay, so now putting the point of the compass, now making the compass small. It doesn't tell you that in the video I watched. Just had to watch her do it. In fact, the video I watched doesn't explain anything at all. So now I'm drawing a circle, a semicircle from around the 2 points where I've just made that. So you stick where you've just made that cross with your pencil. I have look, it's so annoying. My lead keeps slipping and everything. So if you've got problems like that, don't worry. If you know it'll be done. Yeah, they don't explain these on these videos, do they? They just say, oh, you've got, you know, make it look so easy. It is actually, this is very easy. Right, and it doesn't have to be, you know, deadly accurate. Some things do, but this is fine. Okay, so I'm putting the point in where I've just drawn a line. Okay, so now you can cut it out now if you want. Then you'd get a, then you'd definitely get a cut it out now. Yeah, cut it out now, and I'll show you what you would get. The first one I show you is the one you would get. It's the smaller of the two I did. Okay, see, I'm going that. I'm doing. Yeah, I'm going from there. So the corner of what we've just drawn around. So you make a sort of like a point. So I rub that out so you can see there. Look, and I'll show you with a pencil what we've just drawn. We've drawn that sort of pattern now. It will become, if you do have a go, it will become fairly obvious. I mean, I've got no logic, and I can do it. Yeah, found out one day I'd got no logic, but my creativity was through the roof, which I don't know. Not many. I don't know. Not many people say, "Oh, I got less than that." Anyway, it doesn't matter about that now. We won't talk about me. There you go. See, I'm drawing those. Just showing you what I'm drawing because it's not obvious, is it? There we go. So you make that pretty pattern. Yeah. You can see at the end what lovely pattern it does make. So I'm putting it at the corner, and I'm making another circle round, semicircle round, but you don't need. That's why I'm rubbing that bit out, so you don't need that bit, so you can see where you do need. There. Okay. Now I'm going to cut it out, and hopefully it'll go a bit faster now. In a minute it should, because I've put it on a bit faster. Hopefully, come on dear. Oh, I know why. Right, and now I slow it right down. As you can see, it's slow motion. Right, now I am showing you. This is the one you would make if you didn't do the extra bit. I'll be showing you the. I'll be hopefully adding the video that makes this in my description. Okay, but you know they do it so. Don't explain it, do they? Right, this is the one we are making. The prettier one. I worked out myself how to do the extra bit. Wow, amazing. Right, so that's not showing you that would go on there. This is just a smaller version though, so it's not quite as big. Okay, so let's get the pencil out again. Yeah, okay. So I'm just showing you where that would be. So there, I've taken that bit out and made those. there. Okay, and now it should go faster. Sorry, I was so confused. I thought it was going to be cutting out. I think you did as well, didn't you? I think you believed me. There we go. Okay, so now I'm cutting it a bit faster. Oh, should be. Oh, yeah, okay. I think this is actually 4 times as fast, so I must be cutting it fairly slowly then. Okay, you can see it emerge in the patterns, and then I'll show you where to fold in a minute, because that's important. And that is easy. You only need a ruler. You don't need a bone. I find it easy without a bone folder and just put my fingers against it, which is what I do show you. Right, so we're doing the triangle. We just put in the ruler where the triangle is. So that's 6 lines. There we go. So you can see that's a triangle there, and I've turned the triangle upside down. Well, it's actually the right way up now, really, isn't it? And so there, I've made a triangle now. See, can you probably see that now, can't you? Then we'll make the other triangle. Now I get a bit confused. I can't see. I can see better here in that small screen than I could actually when I was doing it myself. I was directly on top of it. Right, yeah, this is why I'm a bit confused. Anyway, you can see there's 4 petals there. There would be, I think, there'd be 2. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how many. There might be 2. Would there be 1 in the? I don't know. If we're doing the other sort. There you go. I'm making sure I've got all 6 flaps. There we go. So that's made a hexagon in the middle there. And now those little lines we made, we only do that bit. And the bit at the bottom, you can only just see that. Sorry about that. Right, and the in between those 2 things where we cut. So when you've got the other version, the version where it just has the 6 petals, that's why I draw the extra line. Right, now you squeeze those petals that go together and push them down together. This is easier than what you might think. When you've got it in your hand, you can see it. Okay. I looked for this video because I saw on Facebook somebody had them in their journal. I thought they're absolutely gorgeous, and I found as one video with it on, but there must be loads. I don't know what they're called. There we go, look, they fold down. This lady called them flower envelopes, I think, or floral envelopes. There we go. Watch this, little bit of magic. See, there you go, see that? Watch out. Little bit of magic. There we go. Now there's something I haven't done, so I should just close it up again to get back to how it was. There we go. Now it's white page again. Because what didn't we do? I didn't show you me rubbing the edges out, so I thought I'd better go back to how it was with the magic of the camera. Because guess what? How to remake this video, so I've got 2. Good job, I have. Then I could show you rubbing that out, can't I? Okay. Right, so this is that. So it's going to now we're going to do a bit of magic again. Do a bit, there we go. There it is. That's so pretty, isn't it? I just put it. All I did was paint it. Right then. So we have a set of instructions for you. This is the first page. Yeah. If you'd like to take a screenshot of that. And the second one, which is this. I'm determined you get it right because it is easy. That's if my instructions on the thing. I'm just clarifying my instructions. That's the third page there. Okay. With diagrams. And that's the last page, and that shows you how to fold it. So hopefully you've got that as well. There we go. Right, and that, I haven't shown you how to finish off folding because I think that's fairly clear in the video, which shows you sort of that you've got it like that, and it shows you that you take each pair and make a, let's just check which pair it is. Which pair is it? So it's not this pair. Well, it's obvious, isn't it, really, because that's the pair, that's the one where you've made your crease. So you take the two that where you've made your crease and do that, and then you just push them down and it stays like that. That's not the one I made on video. That's not. That's one of the ones I've made. There we go. That's easy. Just do it like that. As you can see, they don't fit exactly, but that's because my compass isn't very good, but it doesn't matter at all. It looks absolutely fine, and it makes it look unique as well. Same with that lot. You've got a few bit of faux stitching showing. It's brilliant. There we go. Right then. So I hope you've enjoyed my content today. Please give me a thumbs up, share my video, press the notification bell with your crafty fingers, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. And please join my Facebook group, Hazy Crazy Arts, and there I'm intending to do extra videos. Thank you. Okay, so let's do the beginning. Anyway, I would like to say bye now, and thank you so much for watching, and take care. Thank you.